in my hotel, and I'm finishing up some much needed work. So I'm going to take an hour to do this. What time is it? Okay, so I'm in Fort Worth, Texas, as we speak, and we are here. I'm here with one of my business partners, and this is one of our first meetings together with the investors for a joint business venture that we are doing. Yes, it's a part of the hair industry. Yes, it is also a part of the medical aspect or the hair loss sector. That's the most that I can tell you. If you are aware or know things about business, NDAs, non-disclosure agreements are things where you don't want to disclose, very important information about your business to others, and that's just how it is. So it's only so much I can tell you, but yes, I am here for that. My business partner picked me up. She's someone that I have built a relationship with. She was my student for a short period of time. She comes with a lot of knowledge, a lot of connections, a lot of different things that she wants to do, and I come with a particular set of skills that helps with what her business plan and her business idea is. So in this case, we are owners of this new business venture that we're going to be doing. So I'm here in Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, to meet with the investors and go over the business plan, pull it apart, talk about numbers, the operation of the business, all of that stuff. And tonight, after I kind of finish all of the graphics and things that I need to do, I'm going to be meeting with someone you may or may not follow on YouTube. She reached out to me, and then I reached back out to her about something. So you'll see her. Hopefully you'll see her on camera. But when I came in, I had to take a shower. I had to change my clothes, get a little bit more comfortable. I did wash my face and had to, just kind of re-cuten it up, just a little powder, that's it, and mascara, and get on here and get some work done. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so let me get
BeautyCutright. Listen, if y'all don't know about her, you need to be following her. I've been following her since back in the day. She was the first chick on YouTube that I thought had the dopest tapered natural hair, and this is our first time meeting. I had no clue she was going to come to Dallas. I was calling her to talk to her about a business opportunity. She was like, hey, I'm coming to Dallas. I said, let's connect. And we are here connecting, rocking our tapered natural hairstyle.
We was just playing around with it, trying to find pose our picture.
Yes, so I'm going to tag her in this, so you be sure you go to follow her. She's an awesome lady. You need to know about her. And hope you guys had a great day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
I'm pretty sure people wonder, what do I do with my hair while I'm out of town. You guys notice I don't wrap my hair up, but I bring a minimum amount of product with me. My hair can hold a curl no matter if it's a twist out or in this case is a wash and go. I do wash and goes quite often. So all I really do is just revive my hair with certain products. I am using the Curly Ellie products, the styling serum and the leave-in conditioner. They were at the right size that I could carry on the plane with me. And this is all I do with my hair. So it's 11:46. It's the afternoon, so I'm dressed, ready to go. Like I mentioned, I'm here to meet the investors, go through the business plan, negotiate ownership, negotiate a lot of things. I wanted to show you guys, this is the cutest umbrella ever. Like this umbrella, Regina, my business partner, gave this to me, and it has Michelle Obama and Barack Obama on it. So it's a really cool like umbrella, and I needed another umbrella, so hey, got one. But rule or tip number one when it comes to dealing with investors or anyone else that's involved in the business process and getting a business off to a great start. If you are the business seeking investors, if there's a meeting, you should be there first. The first person there has all the control, or most of it for that sake. So say for example that your meeting is at 1:30. It's better for you to be there at least an hour ahead. You can prep everything, go through everything, and when they walk in, you stand up and you're ready to greet them and introduce yourself and go on. So at that point in time, you have the control. So tip number one when it comes to business and you're dealing with investors, business partners, or anything that has to do with your business venture, make sure you're there first. Now, I gotta go. Get my butt downstairs, check out, and she will be here very, very soon. So, I will see you then.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be.
So I just wanted to take a quick second and let you guys know how the meeting went with one investor, actually in this case, and I learned quite a deal. One of the things I did understand the most is that we do need to adjust some things with our numbers, be a little bit more conservative, but I do understand that it is definitely possible to produce the numbers that we projected because I have been doing this for a long time. And yeah, just wanted to share just that little bit of tidbit with you. So let me formally introduce to you my business partner, Regina. She is an amazing soul, very giving, very loving, and we connected almost instantly with this project that we're building. She has a lot of experience and knowledge in a lot of things, and so do I, and it's really a great combination for us to be in business together. So right now what you actually see us doing is just taking a view of the facility that we are actually going to be using for this business venture that we are doing. Yes, there's going to be manufacturing and selling going on, but as of right now, this is just me showing you us touring, and they're showing us exactly what space is available, and that gives me a good eye as to how the layout will be when we get ready to do production. So yes, this was a very fun. Here's a sewing machine. This is a industrial sewing machine. It's not a high post wig making sewing machine, for those of you who are wondering. But it's good to know that they do have that here, and we have connections to, you know, being able to buy that type of capital when it's needed. This area is the 3rd floor, and it is a beautiful office space. This is a historical building, so there's a lot of things in this building that me and Regina really love a lot about. And as you can see us walking towards the end of this long hallway, very wide and spacious, that is actually going to possibly be my office. And our office is kind of like adjacent to each other, so as you walk, we walk a little bit closer to it. That directly in front of Regina, that's going to be my office. And then our office is kind of connected together by a smaller conference room, but the space was just, it was beautiful, it was amazing. So it's good to see what, you know, they have available. We may have to do some build outs and things like that. But as we continue through, you know, the tour and everything, we have figured out exactly how things are going to go. So I will possibly be able to update you guys on that. I'm not exactly sure yet. It's only so much information I'm willing to share. But once it's there, you guys will know, and definitely will be a part of this venture. And we are actually going to the final destination, which is the patio on the top of this building. And it is just a beautiful view of Fort Worth's area. I just adored this space. I know this is Regina's favorite area. Not exactly sure how, you know, she's going to work this, but it's going to be great for her and the business, and me traveling back and forth from Detroit to Fort Worth. So yeah, that is the most beautiful view I've ever seen in my life. I left later that evening. As you can tell, I love city views, so I was so happy to get this, you know, shot in my seat, in the window seat that I had. But yeah, just wanted to share with you guys the venture that I am going through. This is probably about my 4th business that I'm helping to build. So stay tuned for more. Check out the links down below in the description box. I have more. I'll be in Dallas, Texas again in March. If you're interested in learning from me, Wig Making 101, check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.